Hey guys, welcome back. I normally don't post on Mondays, but I'm going to post this. I just got home from work, and you know how I don't know if I've been talking about the birdhouses or not, but Orchid Supply Store, Ken, recently got a new product, birdhouses. They're hand painted. I ordered two and I've been waiting for them, so he actually sent me one as well. And it says, thought you might like to try our latest product. Have fun with it, Ken. Oh, you know I will. All right. I don't want to make a big mess, but you know what? Let me just do this. Hope everybody's having a good Monday. Did your Monday go good? I know most of us hate Mondays, but think about it. If the week started on, say, Wednesday, we'd all hate Wednesdays because that's when the week starts. So, poor Monday gets such a bad rap. I'm one of those too, though. A lot of times, oh, I hate Mondays, but at the end of the day, if the work week started on Wednesday or Thursday or any other day but Monday, we'd hate that day too. All right, let's see what we've got. Now, if you end up enjoying looking at this birdhouse, you go to orchidsupplystore.com and get you one. Use coupon code TRISH at checkout for a 12% discount. And here in the United States, it is free shipping. And oh my God, just from the top, look how cute it looks already. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Boom, boom. Oh, it is so precious. Look at this. It is the green one. Got the little shovel with a little flower on it. And then you've got your little spot in the back. Trying to see if that is perhaps where you put the feed in. Yep, that would be, I believe. Yeah, so the feed goes in here. You would pour it in here. And then, of course, block it off from falling out. And then the birdies can take turns sitting right here. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Ken. And I do have several birdhouses outside. They're not the big fancy ones. I've got a couple of fancy ones, but this one and the other two that I've got plans for those. And I do believe I did order the green one, so I'll have two of these, which is fine because I can put one in the back, one in the front. Again, go to orchidsupplystore.com. Go get you a birdhouse, some orchids, some house plants, all the media and pots that you need to go with it. Use TRISH at checkout for 12% off your entire order. Again, here in the United States, it is free shipping. He does ship international, non-live items. So for those of you not in the United States that would love a birdhouse, you can use the coupon code TRISH at checkout. However, you would incur a shipping fee, but oh my goodness, are these not just the cutest with this little twine string on here? Oh, too freaking cute. Too freaking cute. It is actually cuter than what I thought it was going to look like online. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. I have a thing about birdhouses. Let me show you guys. Down, let me move this box and see if you can see. Probably not. The table's in the way too. But on this bottom shelf right down here, I have one of the, it's a 4-prong bird feeder holder, or you can put plants on either side. And then I have a couple of more bird feeders down here. But you know what? They're just going to have to sit down there because these, once my other two come in, are going to be going in the front. Like I said, I think I ordered another green one, but either way it goes, I'm still going to use it because they're too cute. Hope you guys continue to have a good evening. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you on the next one.